Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Bonina's recipe channel. And today is a different model. So today I will do it very quickly. Everything is different, the filming anyway. It's something new here, but very simple. And I would like to share this recipe with you, which is for a low-carb bread. This bread is excellent, as it says. It is low carb, so it allows even diabetics to consume it. With greater safety of this food, but I am not a nutrologist or a nutritionist, so these are recipes that I have been making over time, and we observe day by day that there really isn't a significant change in blood sugar levels. So I would like to leave this video and let's go. I will start here in just a bit. I'll be back soon with the ingredients. We will do it really quickly, okay? Big kiss.
All right, folks, let's go.
6 eggs that they broke, okay? But they are indeed the coconut flour, okay? Here I have about 125 grams, date 25 grams of coconut flour, coconut oil, all right? We're just going to add 2 tablespoons, okay? So, just a pinch, okay? What we might need to do is mix well this coconut flour. It blends well into this recipe, and we got a beautiful free-range egg. So we will need to mix it thoroughly. It doesn't contain sugar. It doesn't contain anything. Everything is very quick because it's a little bread. Now I will just add a tablespoon, actually half a tablespoon of yeast, just a little. Lastly, I will add something that doesn't make much difference to blood sugar, as long as it's used sparingly, the mozzarella. Here we have 100 grams of shredded mozzarella, okay? So, I don't know if you can see it well here due to the recording format. We are going to stir, and the small bread is ready. Okay, the dough is ready. Now we are going to brush. A small pan, and I will be right back to show you. Brush with coconut oil and a little bit with coconut flour. Okay, put it in the preheated oven at around 200 degrees, and I'll be back with the small bread. Ready? Okay, bye. So my dears, as I promised here, is our small bread. The coconut flour has already been absorbed because it needs that hydration, and the egg provides that. And now I will put it on the tray, as I mentioned, in an oven preheated to about 200 degrees. It should take about 30 minutes, as it will be in the electric oven, but I will time it and give you the exact time for the electric oven and an estimate for conventional ovens. Okay, so I'll be right back. So guys, as I mentioned, the little bread is in the electric oven. Okay, it's been, about 15 minutes, and it's starting to get that nice golden color. So in a little while, I'll be taking it out of the electric oven for us to slice. It's a little bread that doesn't yield much. It's not a lot, but it's for our afternoon coffee, right? So I'm waiting for it, including to make my coffee. And enjoy, all right. I hope it turns out nice and that you like it. Also, remember to leave a thumbs up. And for those who don't like it, leave your dislike. It's no problem, all right. And I would really like to get to know the people from the channel. I think you all are a bit far from me. Please leave comments, leave messages about where you are from. There are even people from other countries who are following me, and I am very happy about that, but no one has communicated with me. So let's exchange, let's have an exchange. Leave in the comments other recipes you would like me to make. Whether it's more sweet recipes or savory recipes. Please leave that feedback for me, okay? Because then we can keep working and we can give better feedback for both sides, for me and for you. So that's it, but it's a huge pleasure to be here with you again. I took some time coming back. This edition is in a different format, but my editor-in-chief will later return here active and will make my normal editions in 4K anyway. But still, I sincerely hope you stay here with me, okay? Hold on, let's see how this coconut bread turns out, guys, because my stomach is growling like crazy, okay? Big kiss. See you in a bit. Guys, about 20 minutes later, that's in the electric oven, okay? In the conventional oven, it will take a little longer. Look at the beauty, the beautiful color of this coconut bread, and I will cut them with you and taste them, okay? Shall we see? Look at the wonder. See? Works, guys. Coconut. Flour is really great. Now I'm going to cut it, okay? Let's cut. We can consume it with light cream cheese, with some butter or whatever, and have it with your coffee, your tea, or not drink anything at all. It's up to you, right? We just give our 2 cents. Here, this one. Oh, let's cut it. I will cut it, put it on a little plate, add a bit of butter, and we will. Unfortunately, not we. I will try it and then share it with you. And for those who want the recipe, just say, I want it, and I'll put it there for you. Besides me already mentioning it during the video, if you pay attention and take notes, you will be able to get the full recipe. But those people who really want the full recipe, let me know in the comments. I'll put it for you in the comments, okay? Big kiss. Let me cut it now. Well then, folks, look at this beauty. How beautiful it is. Very, very, very fragrant. You have no idea. I'm going to flip it with the little fork, okay? Look at how it turned out. So here, since we added the mozzarella, anyone who wants can skip the butter, but I'm going to add it because I'm being indulgent, right? It's just to hold on a little bit, right? It won't kill anyone. So I'm spreading a little bit of butter for us, and we are going to try it. Actually, not us, right? I wish I could share this bread roll with all of you, right? But unfortunately, I will have to eat it alone, right? So let's go. I've already cut it. Fluffy. Look how delicious. And now let's go for the sacrifice. Guys, I kept saying I didn't like it, but it's tasty. Really good. It's a super light, and very delicious recipe. So I think that given the benefits of the ingredients we have here, the coconut oil, the coconut flour itself, for those of us who are reaching a more mature age, and many are already pre-diabetic or diabetic, this is a really great option for afternoon tea, an afternoon or morning snack, and it's very quick. I have 1 kilogram. You buy half a kilo of coconut flour. It goes a long way. So these are recipes that sometimes make us think, wow, everything is so expensive nowadays, but it's not, because the yield is very good. And the benefit to our health is even better. So it's worth it for us to invest a little in ourselves here, in our health. After all, the greatest asset we have is our health. So that's it. I'm happy to be with you. It took me a little while, but I came back. I'm back. Rolina's channel returning once again. Once again, I hope to be able to record an even better format for you. But today, this is how it turned out. It was the best I could do. But for the upcoming episodes, stay tuned. Okay. All right, folks, look, once again, thank you so much for your attention, your affection, and your participation. Leave a thumbs up, okay? And I leave my kiss here in each of your hearts. May God bless you. And see you soon, God willing. All right.